everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how I like to wash my hair. So starting from washing my hair to drying my hair, this is going to be step-by-step guide for you. And no, I'm not going to use any heating tools on my hair. Not only I'm going to show you all the products that I use on my hair, but also I'm going to tell you about all those little steps using all those products in this video. So this is going to be very informative video for you all. I'm going to start off by telling you about my hair, that is my scalp condition and my hair type. This is very important because that's how I like to purchase my shampoos and conditioner. उसी से पता चलता है कि whether it is suitable for your hair condition and hair type. A few months back I went for a hair consultancy test and that's how I figured it out that I have very oily scalp. So naturally my hair follicle produces more oil, and end part of my hair, that is starting from here till it falls, they are pretty frizzy in nature, and my hair texture, they are wavy in nature. Although I always wanted straight hair, but they are wavy in nature and you can give them any style, they can hold up to any style. Now coming to constant products that I use on my hair, that is shampoo, conditioner and aloe vera gel. So the shampoo that I'm going to use in this video is apple cider vinegar shampoo by Wow Skin Science. I know a lot of you people had this complaint that apple cider vinegar shampoo doesn't really foam much. So trust me, after watching this video, you won't have that struggle and problem. This is my 4th or 5th bottle and they have changed the packaging and also some ingredients. So I think they have changed the formula also. So not only this is paraben free, sulphate free and has apple cider vinegar in it, but also this one is DHT blockers. Now what are DHT blockers? DHT blockers are dihydrotestosterone, which is produced by your own body. So this is like a stress hormone which directly affects the hair follicle and it kills the hair follicle. So that's how it really slows down the process of hair growth. Basically after killing the hair follicle, there won't be any hair growth. So this controls DHT. I'm going to provide an article link in the description box. Make sure you check that out. It will help you understand much better that what DHT is. And I truly believe in gathering all the information regarding that product before you go and buy that product. So the conditioner which I'm using currently is Wow Skin Science Coconut Milk Conditioner, and this one also comes with DHT blockers. Yes, conditioner is something which I like to change a lot and experiment with. As you can see, I have like a frizzy end, so I like to see which conditioner can work on my hair. Next thing that I use for my hair is Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel. I will let you know in this video that how I like to use this. Anyway, without further ado, let's begin with this video. This is my 5th day hair and you can see that I have a little bit of dandruff issue going on. So 5 days ago I washed my hair and this is what my hair looks like. Although it's still manageable, but it's very dirty. My scalp is very oily and I'm so ready to wash my hair. The first step before washing my hair is to detangle the hair to prevent hair breakage. This is a very important step for hair wash that I never skip. Now I will start my hair wash with some warm water. I'm wetting the hair with warm water and then moving on to shampoo. For shampoo, I'm using apple cider vinegar shampoo. I'm taking 4 pumps of this product and applying it all over my hair. Now you must be wondering, it's not foaming, it's not lathering, how it is going to clean my hair. For that, I'm going to pour the water again on my hair, but slowly and steadily. So I'm using one hand to pour the water and another hand to lather the shampoo, and that's how I like to lather my apple cider vinegar shampoo by Wow Skin Science. You can also use this technique under shower. Just make sure the water flow is in medium and it's not running all over your hair. Through this technique, there is going to be less wastage of product and water, which means you are going to save some water and product. So when you are using this shampoo to clean your scalp and massaging it on your scalp, make sure you're not using your fingernails and you're using your finger to massage it. And do not be harsh on your skin. It's your skin, it's your scalp. You do not want to damage it. So I do not have thick hair and density on my scalp, so I'm not using any extra product for my ends. I'm just dragging the product from my head to my tip of the hair. And now using some warm water, I'm going to rinse off the shampoo from my head. Now very important part, do not rub your hair while you're rinsing the shampoo. Just make a way for the water to flow on your head. Now this was one complete cycle of cleaning the hair, and now I'm going to use some shampoo again just to make sure everything is squeaky clean, and this time I'm going to use 2 pumps only. I have been using this shampoo for over a year now. I have tried different shampoos and products and this is one of my favorite. Now this shampoo is not like any other shampoo that you have tried before. You will notice the quality difference first time you will try this shampoo. I'm talking about the lathering part and the cleansing part. This gently removes the scalp buildup and cleanses the scalp, removes the excess oil, dirt, gunk, whatever is there on your scalp, and never leaves your scalp feel itchy. Again, this part is very important. While cleaning the ends of your hair, do not rub it between your fingers because it can create friction, it can damage the hair cuticle and you can end up having frizzy hair, and you do not want that. Just wash it gently and try to drag the product all over the ends. minutes. And finally, I'm going to rinse everything with some cold water. Yes, I said cold water. By the time I will end up finishing the hair wash process, I want to make sure I will rinse everything with some cold water. So I'm reducing the temperature gradually in this process. This is going to protect my hair cuticle and make it less frizzy after I'm done washing my hair and drying up my hair. Now to make my conditioner work, it is very important that I should have a damp hair. For that, I'm squeezing out excess water from my hair. I'm using a towel also to do so. Now there are two types of conditioner which are available in the market. First, deep conditioning mask, which people like to use once a month for your scalp, and second one is a regular conditioner for the hair ends that we use after every hair wash. So end part of your hair cannot get the nutritional value from your scalp, so it can have a different texture as compared to the root. For me, it is very frizzy in nature, as I told you earlier in this video. I need to protect it from the outer environment. For that, conditioner plays a very important role. So after applying the Wow Skin Science coconut milk conditioner on my ends, again this one never feels chemically silicone on my hands and also on my ends. I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes, let it do the job, and finally I'm going to rinse everything with some cold water. You can see that I'm not rubbing my head or massaging the ends. I'm rinsing off the product off from my hair with the help of the running water. When your hair is wet, it is on the critical stage. We have already done the washing part for the hair, so we do not need to go through the entire process all over again. I'm just making a way for the water to go. And that completes the step-by-step well explained cleaning process for the hair. And now I'm going to use a very soft towel which is very lightweight, and I'm going to squeeze the excess water from my hair and create a turban. I'm going to leave this turban for 10 minutes or until I wash the entire body. After removing my hair from the turban, I'm going to 70% towel dry my hair and 100% air dry my hair. For that, I'm using the blot and squeeze technique. You can see that I'm not rubbing the hair between the towel. By doing so, I can damage the cuticle and I can end up having frizzy hair in the end. And later I'm going to use some aloe vera gel to tame down my hair. This is like the last part which I like to do for my hair, just so that when my hair will be completely dried out, I will not have frizzy hair. So at this point, you can also use your hair dryer in cool shot after you are done 70% towel drying your hair. So this is what my hair looks like after all completely air dried. I will be using aloe vera gel again because you can see that some frizzy parts are visible. This is non-sticky and lightweight. I like to use it throughout the week or until next time I wash my hair. Finally, I will brush through them. This is the very first time I'm using a brush after washing my hair, and this footage is from 15 hours later after washing my hair. So this is day 2 footage. So you guessed it right, shampoo and aloe vera gel are my favorite, and I provided you all the details regarding both of them. And it's good that they come in a combo, and that's how I have been purchasing them lately. This is my before and after comparison. Obviously my hair looks much cleaner because I just washed it, but the result is using all the products and methods and techniques without using any heating tools. So that is how I like to take care of my hair. And yes, I do use other products on my hair, that is hair oil, dry shampoo, hair straightener, and sometimes leave-on conditioner. But those 3 products, that is shampoo, conditioner and aloe vera gel, are something that I use every time I wash my hair. So these are like my constant product. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now this video is in collaboration with Wow Skin Science. I'm hosting this amazing giveaway with them for their campaign, that is #Wow Wali Diwali, where they are asking us to go paraben free. We are giving away 3 surprise gift hampers filled with wow goodies. If you are interested to participate in this giveaway, find a video link in the description box and go and participate. And if you are interested to participate in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, I will provide all the links in the description box. So on that note, I really hope you found this video helpful and informative. For more of such videos in future, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon, like, comment, share this video. I think I should go now. I'll see you next time. Bye.